Okay, now I'm going underneath here and put panel bond in any place that it needs, just so that you won't see the seam. I'm going to run a screw up through that. I got to run a screw up through there too, because it's got a little bit of a gap in it. People wouldn't believe how many new cars were put together with panel bond and plastic screw clips and everything like that. People would be surprised if they only knew what their $50,000 and up car was made with. I'm gonna get me some sheet metal screws and self-tappers. Run me a few up in there, places like that. Wasn't prepared for that, so I have to go in here and get them, and you can go with me. I'm gonna clean my hands off with some of these towels. Found me some screws. This will help pull it down, tighten it up, and all that good stuff. That's really the only side that didn't fit real tight. One right here. I'd like to put one right there, but I don't think this screw's not long enough. I don't know if I can push it up far enough to do any good or not. Let's see. Hey, I did. Need to put one right there. Oh, didn't bring enough. We gotta go get one more. Hey, what about that? First one the right time. Let's just take a couple, 3 or 4 more with me. It won't hurt to have a bunch of extra ones. Because what I'll do is when I take the screws out, I will take and put me some panel bond in the screw hole. Never have to worry about it. I'll just put some more in. I'm real happy with that. Let me get the screw hole right here. I am very happy with this outcome here. I get done with that, get all this cleaned up underneath here, get my dirt dauber nest out. I noticed you ain't got no brake line. Brake line's broke on this side. Let's see how. And up underneath there, this needs a good cleaning. Need to get me a shock mount. I don't know why crap they put these in like that. So I don't even know what this is. I'll get her figured out though. Get me some exhaust pieces. run. I just got that tied up there so it wouldn't just open headers. Okay, I'm gonna get my little paintbrush back and put some more underneath here. That way I won't have to put more, except where them screw holes are. Must have had something on this side of the floor, because this side of the floor right here was bent a little bit. It's all good. Can't see it, and you get that floor, get that gas tank up underneath there. I'll take and sand that, paint it. Probably when it get up underneath here and pressure wash everything. So underneath, it's just dirty up underneath there. This back here, not gonna look that bad. Okay, got some left, don't you? Just close this up here. Okay, I'm happy with that. Got enough left to do so all that's done. Weighted down.